My favorite part about using Raised Day is how consistent it is. Regardless of shop conditions, these donuts will be consistent for you, day in and day out. To make yeast rings, prepare the donut mix according to manufacturer's instructions. The donut fryer should be attended to before prep starts. First, turn on the hood. Second, turn on the fryer. Make sure the fat is at least 2 inches deep. Set the fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and only fry donuts when that temperature has been achieved. Since yeast-raised donuts do not need to be submerged in the donut shortening, the kettle only needs to have a standard amount of fat in it, usually 2 to 2.5 inches of depth. Place the fry screen into the cradle and slowly lower into the fryer so that the donuts release and float off the screen. This step is important for the final yeast jump. Fry for 1 minute, then flip using donut sticks and fry for another minute. Lift up the donut screen using the cradle and place the donut screen on drain board. Donuts will temp at 200 degrees Fahrenheit internally when fried correctly. Let donuts cool completely. Our first step is to dip the donuts in flat icing. You'll notice I've used just a teeny bit of blue in this flat icing, and that's because I want this to resemble a sky. So if you imagine having a rainbow on a donut, we want this blue to be really, really pretty and feel like the sky behind it. So just a drop or so into your flat icing. One of the things I love about this flat icing is how quickly it sets up. It's really stable for your donut shop case, but it also means that it sets quickly so I can move on with decorations quickly too. Now I'm going to show you how to make a rainbow striped bag. There's lots of ways to stripe a bag. This way will give you really beautiful stripes. So first I'm going to pipe my buttercreams on the plastic wrap. We're going to go in rainbow order. Next I'm going to roll up the bag, pinching the sides. Now it's time to fill the bag. First I'm going to put my tip on a plain piping bag. You'll notice this is an open star tip. When placing the wrapped rainbow colors into the piping bag, make sure red is on your left and yellow is on the right. This will ensure your rainbow will be in the correct order when you pipe it. When you twist the bag, be sure it is at the end of the wrapped rainbow colors. Do not choke up on the bag. I know you'll want to decorate right away, and I do too, but first we have to test and make sure it looks good. When you pick up the donut, make sure the clearest, most beautiful side is facing you. Next, take the bag and twist your wrist so red is on the outside. Then I'm going to pipe. Twist the bag again, this time making sure green is towards the inside. Once the rainbow is piped, it's time to add on the marshmallows before our buttercream sets. Odd numbers are more pleasing to the eye.